Survey teams are combing the windy impenetrable national park to pick samples and data for analysis. This involves following gorilla trails and locating their night nests. Dung is picked up for genetic analysis to identify individual gorillas. This way, populations can be accurately counted.
We collect samples from 3 consecutive night nests so that in case we had missed a particular nest, the DNA can tell us that, okay, this gorilla was here, but it was not there. And that is how we shall be in position to count the number of gorillas.
Samples are also examined for any disease outbreaks which can potentially wipe out populations. The census is being funded by different conservation groups. Teams will take more than 6 months in the forest before arriving at an accurate number. Since the last census in 2018, hundreds of births and fewer deaths have been recorded here. Now, survey teams trekking the rugged terrain here believe populations have grown, a proof of relentless conservation efforts. The Uganda Wildlife Authority says hunting for game meat is now under control. Communities surrounding the park are now involved in conservation efforts.
The community members staying close to the conservation areas have been given jobs. They are the ones that always maintain the forest trails. So once they come inside the forest, they maintain the trails. At the end of the day, they are given money. And through that, we've tried to control all those illegal activities.
Records show Uganda has 459 mountain gorillas in the wild, but conservationists are concerned about the impact of climate change on food, especially bamboo. Gorillas feed predominantly on bamboo shoots, and there are signs it's on the decline.
We've seen that the bamboo zone has been reducing, shrinking, partly because of climate change. The earth is warming, and therefore there's a bit of climate change. So for challenges like that, we need to be able to know and predict what the likelihood is, and work with the wildlife authorities to be able to provide a conducive environment.
Windy Impenetrable National Park is home to half of the world's mountain gorillas. The other half is found on the Rwanda and DRC sides. This makes this habitat popular for gorilla trekking, boosting tourism. But protecting the gorillas and their home is also a top priority. Isabel Nakiria, CGTN, Windy Impenetrable National Park, Uganda.